Find the limit as h goes to 0, square root of 2 times a plus h minus square root of 2a all over h in terms of the constant a. So the solution that we're looking for has to be an expression with number and the constant a. We have to eliminate the h. Now, the first step you can do is direct substitution. But when you replace h by 0, you get a 0 denominator. So that won't work. Well, the next we can do is factoring or conjugate. And we have square root expression, so we need to multiply the top and bottom by the conjugate. So what is the conjugate of the expression? You just copy the square root. Okay, so 2a plus h, square root of 2a. But you see the negative sign? The conjugate, you change the sign to positive. So same thing for the denominator. Now we can FOIL the numerator. So equal limit as h goes to 0. The numerator follows the difference of square formula. So it's the first term square, so 2a plus h. When you square a square root, you just get rid of the radical symbol. Square of the second term, 2a, and you subtract them. And the bottom, you leave it alone because our goal is cancellation. So if you FOIL the bottom, it's harder to see what you can cancel. So now we simplify the top expression. So you can take a look at it on the side, or you can just do a mental calculation in your head. Okay, so you distribute the 2, so you have 2a plus 2h minus 2a. So the 2a and 2a cancel out. Okay, what is left is 2h. Now in the bottom you have an h, and h is the problem maker anyways, because when you do direct substitution, you get a 0 denominator. So now we can cancel the h and try direct substitution again to see whether that will work. So we replace h by 0 now. Okay, because we're substituting, we don't need to write a limit anymore. So on the top, we have 2. In the bottom, we have square root of 2. A plus 0 is a, so you get 2a in the bottom plus square root of 2a. Okay, so what you have is 2 over twice square root of 2a. And the 2 and the 2 cancel out. And you can rationalize it if you want. Okay, so this is the final answer. Or you can just leave it as 1 over square root of 2a. That would be fine, the equivalent. And this is the answer that the question is looking for in terms of the constant a.